filtration system is an assembly of components designed to remove contaminants from fluids. Contaminants refer to any undesirable substances or particles in a fluid that need to be filtered. The process in which the contaminants are separated is called filtration. The component that performs the filtration process is called the filter. Filtration systems, being present in all transportation and industrial applications, serve as crucial components in ensuring smooth operation, longevity, and in reducing environmental pollution. In transportation, from automobiles to aircraft, filtration systems are paramount for maintaining clean combustion processes, preventing engine wear, and mitigating harmful emissions. The air, fuel, and lube that an engine is exposed to during operation carry contaminants that damage the engine. The air filter, fuel filter, and lube filter protect the engine from contaminants. Transportation systems also have a coolant filter that removes contaminants and debris from the engine's cooling system, helping to maintain the cooling system's efficiency and to prolong engine life. In industrial settings, filtration systems maintain the purity of fluids used in various processes, thereby protecting equipment from damage and improving overall efficiency. In industrial applications, a computer numerical control, or CNC machine, requires hydraulic fluid to function. The hydraulic fluid powers the movements of the tools in a CNC machine to perform operations such as cutting, drilling, and shaping. To ensure precise movements and smooth operations, it is essential to keep the hydraulic fluid clean. Hydraulic fluid filtration systems are used to filter contaminants in the hydraulic fluid to avoid damage to the hydraulic pump, control valves, actuators, and other critical components of the CNC machine. Filtration systems drive transportation and industrial sectors by providing the ideal operating conditions for equipment. Filtration systems also create a controlled and safe environment in the workplace by controlling the air quality through methods such as air filters on shop floors of manufacturing industries and clean room filters in pharmaceutical and electronics manufacturing industries.